Pick a fabric that has plenty of Christmas designs. This will help you ensure that you have the most variety for your book. Once you're ready to start crafting, go ahead and iron on some interfacing to the back of that fabric. And then
can start to cutting in the middle of each graphic. We had the first part, and we're going to select which one we want the back of the ornament will be green or be red. We have different here, and I will say maybe this one had more red. I would like to coordinate with green. The beautiful of this project is you can make it in many ways, and they will look always beautiful because they are all different size. We had to cut one by one, so I will do 5 red and 6 green. When we decide which one you want, and with the red color, I used cotton fabric. I will facing and pin, facing against to the solid color. This one is more easy when we're working with the just one color because we can use it any size of the fabric. I believe so. Christmas is a beautiful, beautiful time. Usually bring great memories, and it's a really a special time. I love it. I love Christmas. I love the food we eat when we are in Christmas. And the opportunity sometimes to see some friends we not see regularly through the year. After we place all of them, we can start to cut it. How I say, not to be perfect, especially when it's our first time, but it's something we enjoy. Then we will cut 11 ribbons of 5-inch. When we done with the ribbons, we take our fabric, fold it in half, and make a little cut small in the top. That one will helping us to know the ribbon. We will place it right there. Here we had a small cut. Here we had the ribbon, and we put it in this way, and we will put the solid color in the top. When we do that, with the pin, we can place it in the middle, and we take the fabric with the interfacing, the ribbon, and the back fabric. In that way, when we sewing, we will sewing all the piece of fabric we need, and the seams and 3 of the sides, and leaving one gap in the border. After that, we will trim the corners, making a small cuts, and we will do the same around the square or the rectangle we had. And after that, we will turn inside out. Always take a corner and bring the fabric outside. Be patient. Sometimes take a little time, but we want to keep in good condition our yarn. So helping with your fingers, and if you need it, I had here is not something for sewing, but helping us with the corners of our project. And this one looks really nice. We're going to fold it here in the bottom and closing the gap. That one we will do it in the sewing machine, and I will do the same with all of them.
And after, iron them.
This step will give you a more professional appearance and looks so cute. To decorate, to make even more special, I will use the Tulip beads, and I will decorate just some parts. For example, here in this little house, I will put a little glitter. It's a white color, and after I will use it a brush. We can use a brush, or we can use it fingers. We can decorate different areas. Put a little knots here, just to look with more decoration. This is a optional. I think so, looks so cute and get a little touch even better. And we left dry for a couple hours before you hanging in the tree. If you had any accident, you can just use it another print. You can see how, look, this is the side where you put the glitter, and this is the side used with the fabric. And this is the result of our project. I think so, looks so unique, special, very easy to make, nothing expensive, but it looks great. And if you want to learn how painting with acrylic, my daughter had a wonderful video right there. Please subscribe, give like. We see you there. Thank you.